The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf.
We're building the platform that these big companies are asking for. Our smaller clients were happy just using us as a point solution. But when you start talking about an enterprise client, you really need to think about an enterprise solution. And that's really what this platform is about. So, there's tens of billions of dollars up for grabs, and we intend to grab some of that, Steve.
All right, welcome back inside our Proactive newsroom. Joining me now, Evan Gappelberg, the CEO of Nextech3D.ai. And Evan, good to see you again. How are you?
I'm good. Great to be back, Steve.
Yeah, well, the company out with pretty interesting news today that you've designed this operating system that takes all of these platforms that we've been talking about and puts it all into one area. So, a really unique thing you're launching today, Evan.
It is. We are unifying enterprise event operations into one AI platform, and it is quite exciting that we've been able to put this together, this unified event operating system with Event Decks, with MapD, with Crafty Labs, and now we're naming it Nextech Event AI. Steve, if you think about this, we're servicing Fortune 500 customers today, companies like Google, Microsoft, Oracle, Netflix, Meta, Cisco, Dropbox. These are existing customers, not theoretical targets. And so the opportunity is very, very large. And so we're building the platform that these big companies are asking for. Our smaller clients were happy just using us as a point solution. But when you start talking about an enterprise client, you really need to think about an enterprise solution, and that's really what this platform is about. So, there's tens of billions of dollars up for grabs, and we intend to grab some of that, Steve.
And this obviously allows the ability for improved efficiency. You can go to all the areas at one time. And these large companies like the opportunity of making things easy to use.
Yeah, we're solving the fragmented event technology problem. If you are in this industry, which we are, we hear from clients all the time that they have multiple vendors, disconnected tools. They use one company for ticketing, one company for floor plans, one company for engagement. Enterprises don't want to have five vendors. They just don't. They want one operating system. And so the solution is Nextech Event AI. This is our solution for the $1.5 trillion event industry, registration, engagement, which, Crafty offers, registrations, Eventex, spatial visualizations, which is MapD, payments, BitPay, analytics, one system. So it replaces this whole fragmentation with a unified operating system, and each module that we have solves a real problem individually, but together, Steve, they scale.
Mhm. And obviously, you've got a team that's onboarding all these type of clients, and I guess with the current clients that you have and the ones that Crafty Labs have as well, you're sort of combining those together, creating this ability to pick and choose what you want, use all three, use one you want, really helps out, as you mentioned, the smaller client, but also the larger client as well. And that's sort of the future of where we're going, right, Evan?
It is, Steve. I mean, think of it as a dashboard that has MapD's floor plan features. You click a button and it opens up the MapD module, event decks, registration, ticketing, matchmaking. You click on that. Any one of those buttons opens up a whole module. You look at Crafty Labs, they have experiences, whether it's live or virtual. And we're using, AI, the semantic brain, to really guide our customers on our platform. So AI is now being used at Nextech. It's practical, it's not experimental. And, virtual and hybrid events, in-person delivery, national footprint. Enterprises want all of that. They're
Yeah.
very demanding. And so, and so our business model, Steve, is software first. We're very asset light. We don't have like an infrastructure like a typical company. We're focusing really on a long-term platform value, and the platform adoption deepens over time. We have a lot of existing conversations going on with really big players, and they're excited about this. And obviously, we're very excited about this because it's been culmination really of many, many years. And so this is all going to end up showing up at Nextech in the form of revenue and in the form of signed contracts, which, we already have them in motion, but, we'll be announcing some exciting news soon.
All right, we'll leave it there. Evan, thank you so much. Good update. Really appreciate the time.
Thank you, Steve.
Evan Gappelberg, the CEO of Nextech3D.ai.
The featured company is a paid client of Proactive Group Holdings, and this recording is disseminated by Proactive on its behalf. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Viewers should conduct their own research and consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. The views expressed are those of the speaker and do not necessarily reflect those of Proactive Group Holdings, trading as Proactive Investors or its affiliates. No responsibility is accepted for any loss arising from reliance on the information presented.